All right, so we've got cranks in, adjusted the preload, so you tighten this, get it really tight to push the cups in. We back it off, do it again until we just take and set the preload, which means side to side play, blue thread lock, and 10 Newton meters on the crank arm, and we're like, but So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on rear derailleur and front derailleur. So the rear derailleur is pretty straightforward, just a little bit of grease on the threads. It'll keep the weather out and keep us good. Into the bottom bracket here. I don't want to get into the. Okay, see if I can make an adjustment. So I'm going to get that thread started. I want to make sure that I keep that B screw on the back side away from the hanger. And rear derailleur's on, and that's good. Spring loaded, that works. So the next step then is front derailleur. Now that gets a little bit tricky because we've got a bit of a carbon fiber mount here. Again, I've got fast grip on the inside because it's a carbon to carbon contact point. And then the little pad here, and this is for the side load adjustment on the front derailleur. It pushes against that to turn the rear end of it. So we've got the front derailleur. I'm going to put the hanger on first. I want to be careful not to touch the paint and not to stretch too far beyond. So we get that in place. And then we've got rear derailleur. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and mount that up. It's going to take me just a little bit of time here to get that set up. And I'm going to do some adjustments to get the alignment correct. Once I get the front derailleur in place, then we'll make final adjustments on the front derailleur. So I'll be back.